Good morning, all. Today is 22nd April, and the time is around 9:30 now. Yeah, it's a little bit of a gap down day, and seems like sellers are dominating. I'm 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 trying to mark out some zones where previously we have seen some aggressive selling delta. So it's around. Oh, sorry. Okay. If you look at all this place, right, those three red boxes, some very good selling delta is there. So whenever the price comes back to those regions, right, we might see a sort of push down. They might try to defend their position. So we can use it as a good reference for the time being. On top, yeah, if you look at this place, right, there also there's some aggressive selling has happened. So 500, 500. So around 1,000 lots of contracts were aggressively short from here. So, and it's in confluence with the current day VWAP as well. So we will keep these two levels, and we'll try to observe what is the reactions, of these levels. We'll see if we can figure out some setup on the downside. Okay. Yeah, I'll update. Time is around 9:43. If you look at the chart now, right? Price didn't close above both our zones. It has nicely came down from the top zone and looks like it's going to make a new day low. So yeah, but unfortunately, I couldn't figure out any entry as of now. Uh, yeah, I'm just still waiting. So yeah, I will update whenever I get one. Okay. Yeah. Now time is around 9:51. I'm trying to get into a short position now. It did create a new day low, but looks like the sellers are very aggressive. So I'm planning. Okay, this candle is a good one. So I'm trying to get into. Just waiting for a dip on it. Actually, that's okay. That's fine. Let me add the SL here. Okay. Oops. Already down. Okay. That was a quick one. It took the SL. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. That's why we have an SL in the system. Okay. It's almost instant SL. I think it would have probably lasted for a few seconds. The quickest scalp in recent times. But yeah, it's again it went against us though. But yeah, I'll do one thing. I'll make a quick journal and then come back. Okay. Yeah, I'll update. Looks like they're trying to sell aggressively. I'll wait if I can get into this candle. Looks like a good one actually. I will attempt. Let me wait for the candle close. Sellers are aggressive actually. Some good selling pressures coming. Okay. Mm, okay. My first leg is in. I'll just wait for a pullback to add the second quantity as well. Okay. So good push coming in. Uh, Let it give a dip. Currently, it's the spot is trading as 24,400, which is a psychological level, and we might get a support of that level. But yeah, the order flow is clearly showing some good aggression by the seller. So and it's as per the setup also. So I just punched the trade anyway. Let's see. I'm just waiting for a dip on it. I will add once it comes down. This candle. Let it come. Yeah, now I'll add. Fine. So the stop loss is in place. I'll just add target as well. 316.85. Okay. All right. Now let's wait. Yeah, as I told earlier, its spot is right at 24,400. So the risk is there. Yeah, but let's see anyway. This is the second attempt. If you look at it, it's right after the first entry where we just got stopped out, and immediately it created another opportunity. So I thought like, yeah, uh, I'll re-enter. It fits into my setup and my risk. So let's wait anyway. It's still around the entry price. So in this trade, my stop loss would be 290.9, and the target is going to be 316.85. Um, yeah, so I have mentioned this earlier as well. I don't calculate it on the go. Instead, I have coded the position sizing in a Pine script. So I will get it listed then and there for each 1 minute option candle. So that's why you probably would be seeing those decimals actually, like 290.9, 316.85. Yeah, so because I work with fixed risk for each trade. So my fixed risk at this moment is like 11,000. Okay, that's a very good push. So yeah, the fixed risk is actually 11,000 per each trade. So to maintain that constant, I have to actually dynamically position my each trade. So yeah, to calculate it manually would take some time. For scalpers, each second matters. So that's the reason why I have kept it coded. If you look at this candle, right, it's a very good one. It even closed almost like ahead of most of like 10 plus previous candles in the option candle, which is very good sign of aggression. And if you look at the EMA as well, the candles are pretty good, pretty high compared to the EMA. They're sustaining above it. So let's see anyway. Yeah, if it can give a breakout now, right? That would have been very nice in one push, probably, because there might be some stop losses laying over there. I mean, around 24,400 is actually a psychological number, round number. Basically, people used to keep the stop losses around that place. So it might try to give a hunt. Not sure, but yeah, possibility is there. Probability is higher. Let us wait anyway. Currently, yeah, the previous trade was around 13K loss, and this current trade is running in green, and it covered the it not covered completely. It's currently kind of 3,000 plus in profit. So overall, it is like negative 10K. Okay, that's a good one. I might be planning to use Dhan super order. But the main problem what I'm facing is like a lot of slippages are happening. So that's something which is actually killing the gains. If you look at like an overall, it's like 3,000, 2,000 per trade. It's kind of like killing the gains. So you'll have to work out something on it. Yeah, it's a good push actually. Very nice. 311, 312.6, 313. Very good push. Can it do now? 312. Okay. 312. Come on, man. Good. Okay. Nice. 360. Okay. Done. Very nice. Okay. Again, there's a little bit of slippage here as well. That's fine anyway. I'll take it. So this was a good entry. It covered all the loss, and then we are up like 8.5K for the. Okay, it's now blasting on the upside. All right, that's fine. Um, so yeah, this level, right? If you look at it, I'll just mark. There's a good chunk of like 200 plus. Yeah, over here, 247 lots was sold on that, and the price got a nice rejection from there, and then it created a new tail. All right, so that's two trades for the day. I'm closing it. I will come back tomorrow. Till then, stay calm and trade safely. Okay, bye bye.